Hello, my name is Darika Isakova on InstaForex TV with the recent Forex news. News that the Central Bank of Russia is going to add the Canadian dollar to its reserves is likely to have a fleeting effect for the Canada's currency. More considerable impact on the Canadian dollar dynamics in the short term are put by the US dollar adjustments. On Wednesday, before the North American session opening, the Canadian currency or loonie spiked, extending its uptrend, after the Russian information agency InstaForex quoted the announcement of the Bank of Russia Market Operations Department head Sergei Shvetsov. Delivering a speech in the State Duma, Shvetsov noticed that the central bank carries out a technical preparation for the Canadian dollar. The analyst warned that it is better not to assign high priority to this news. According to their sentiment, the loonie's uprise is mostly caused by the American dollar weakness. That day, when the dollar fell to new lows of 2009 against the euro, breaking through the Swiss franc parity rate on the downside, trading downwards versus the British pound and fixing at new highs against the yen since January, the market participants started to think over if they really need Russia to buy the Canadian currency for signaling about its rally. One more reason for not taking seriously the news from Russia has become the fact that the Russia's central bank intentions regarding the Canadian currency were sounded much earlier. In September, the senior executive vice president of the central bank, Alexei Ulyukayev, stated that in future the country's exchange reserves will include Canadian and Australian currencies. Amid this, Russia recognized an existence of liquidity problems related to introducing such currencies as loonie to the reserves. Generally, the Canadian dollar prospects as a world's reserve currency are rather narrow. In particular, it may be caused by low liquidity and the Canada's bond market condition. In accordance with some investors, it seems that the loonie's potential as a reserve currency is not so impressive. Meantime, the Canadian dollar will be managed by the US dollar movements against other majors. Recently, the greenback had been trading on the downside versus the euro and other world's currencies. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News team and me, Darika Isakova. Thank you for watching us and goodbye.